Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of filing a claim with Liberty Mutual. Follow these simple steps, and you will be on your way to getting the assistance you need. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the claims process, collect all the necessary information. You will need your policy number, details about the incident, and contact information for any parties involved. If you have photographs or documentation related to the damage or loss, have them ready as well. Step 2. Visit the Liberty Mutual website. Go to the official Liberty Mutual website. Look for the Claims section, which is usually located at the top of the homepage. Clicking on this section will take you to the claims filing options. Step 3. Choose your claim type. Liberty Mutual provides various claim types depending on your needs, such as auto, home, or renter's insurance. Select the appropriate type of claim you wish to file. Step 4. Start the claims process. Once you've chosen your claim type, you will be directed to an online form. Fill out the form with the required information, including details about the incident, the extent of the damage, and any supporting documentation you have gathered. Step 5. Submit your claim. After completing the form, review all the information to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, submit your claim. You may receive a confirmation email with a claim number for your reference. Step 6. Follow up. After filing your claim, you can track its status through your Liberty Mutual account or by contacting their claims department directly. They may reach out to you for additional information or documentation, so stay attentive to your communications. Step 7. Review the outcome. Once your claim has been processed, Liberty Mutual will inform you of the outcome. If your claim is approved, they will provide you with the details on the coverage and the next steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.